Hello students, today we are going to solve the first problem. Question is given as the required slope correction for a length of 60 meter along a gradient of 1 in 20 is. Now we need to find the slope correction which will be equals to L 1 minus cos theta. Here the value of L is 60 meter. Now we want to compute the value of cos theta. Gradient is given as tan theta is equals to 1 by 20. From this we can determine the value of theta, which will be equals to tan inverse 1 by 20, and it will be equals to 2.862 degree. Now we can determine the value of cos theta. It will be equals to cos 2.862 degree. On solving this, we will get cos 2.862 degree. It will be equals to 0.9987. That is the value of cos 2.862 degree. Now we will use the value of cos theta here. We will write the value of L as 60 meter and the value of cos theta as 0.9987. On solving this, we will get 1 minus 0.9987 into 60. It will be equals to 0.078 meter. And if we want answer in centimeter, then we have to multiply here by 100 and it will be equals to 7.8 centimeter. That will be the required slope correction, which will be equals to 7.8 centimeter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.